Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make an Asian salad dressing. So easy, so delicious. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first thing we will need is 1/4 cup of seasoned rice vinegar. And the second thing we need is about 4 teaspoons of sugar. Let's mix those together first. I do highly suggest that you make this dressing a day before you use it or a couple days before you use it. It'll taste even better. We will need about 4 teaspoons of sesame oil. Four teaspoons of soy sauce. For garlic minced. Also, we will need about 1 tablespoon of light olive oil. About ½ teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Okay, and now let's mix everything together. It smells really good. And now let's add it to our jar. Honestly, this dressing will taste good on meat, vegetables, whatever you want. Okay. Let's give it a mix one more time. Alright guys, now we have an Asian salad dressing in our fridge that we can use on anything that we would like. Please let me know if you tried it, if you liked it or not. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!